Hi, let's reset the Netgear EAX15, but let's be the experienced users and create a backup file before we reset to save our time in future and not set up the extender from scratch. If you don't remember your device password, you can skip the following screencast and go to the part of the video where I'm resetting. But now let's create the backup file. You need to make sure that you're connected to the extender's network and go to your browser. In the search bar type www.mywifi.ext.net or .local on Mac. We having trouble finding that site? I don't think so. Let's connect to another band. So if you are on 2.4G, try to connect to 5G. Connect. Try one more time. Or try from different browser. Let's go back to 2.4G. Let's go to another browser. Make a new tab. That's it. Now we are in the control panel of your extender. If you are not logged in, you will be asked to enter password and your username. So log into your control panel and go to settings, go to other, and here you see this backup section. So just click on the backup button. If you see this message, insecure download block, just click on keep. Now you have this configuration file in your downloads. So it still doesn't want to download. So if you see this message once again but without the keep button, click on this arrow and click on download unverified file. That's it. Now the configuration file is in your downloads, and later after reset you can restore it. You need to browse for this file, upload it here and click on restore. And now let's reset. It's very simple. You need to grab a pin or pen and locate the reset button right here on the left side of the extender. And you need not just simply press this button, but press in and hold until you see the power indicator blinking an amber light. Because if you just press and release, you will just reboot the extender, not reset. So let's press and hold. Yes, now it blinks, so you can release. And that's it. The reset is in process and now it's completed. That's it. Now the device is reset and you can set it up from scratch or download your configuration file from the admin panel. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.